We've got scattered showers and thunderstorms still across the area, but the locally heavy rainfall is the concern more than any other kind of weather we're getting out of this. Obviously, the lightning strikes will cause some power outage issues, but the rain has been the problem. Starting to let up a little bit more in Topeka, and that's good news as it really came down heavily through the city. You can see some of the standing water at Southwest 6th and Topeka Boulevard that was sent our way from Jenny Spagnuolo. And also looking farther to the south, now we've got that rain over Osage County. And this is the same storm. It's kind of dropping southward and slowly sliding to the east. So now from Linden all the way up through Carbondale, that travel along US 75 is going to be a very slow go through Osage County as well as along 56. And then scattered showers and storms from near and north of Emporia through Lyon County, westward out to Morris, as well as much of Chase County. And numerous cloud ground lightning strikes as well out of this. So we do have lightning and very heavy rainfall in portions of these storms, those summer kind of rains that are just an absolute downpour. You can see from the high-resolution satellite the blossoming and the building up of all of these. Just a gorgeous view from up overhead, but underneath it, again, some very torrential rains across the region. Future Track shows these sliding to the east, but also some redevelopment later on tonight. And that could be good news. Manhattan, Junction City haven't had the rain yet, and so obviously could still use that after very hot weather of the last few days. We are out monitoring the conditions with the KSNT Storm Tracker. We've been keeping an eye on the roads. Again, there has been significant ponding on the roads, so keep that in mind. Some of the main roads have seen most of that kind of recede, but as the rain's letting up, and we hope that that will continue to improve, but down to the south now is going to be the problem area. You can see the storms east of Manhattan and to the southeast of Junction City, where the roads are dry. However, in Topeka, the rain's still falling light to moderate across the city. It's let up considerably, but not after we picked up a lot of that. 1.69 inches of rain at Billard Airport, and we've cooled off to 70, picked up over an inch at Forbes Field, and then that streak of heavy rain right again along the turnpike and to the northwest of it as well. The winds kind of variable, but still blowing 10 to 20 miles per hour, and it has significantly cooled off down to 70 at Topeka, 78 Holton, low 80s in Manhattan, and 80 degrees now at Emporia as well. Again, looking at satellite and radar, you see that blossoming of the thunderstorms. They are now slowly moving east and slightly southeast, and as they very slowly inch out of the region, we'll watch for any additional kind of areas of disturbed weather out over the high plains that could come our way later tonight and redevelop some showers or thunderstorms. This is tomorrow morning that would push on through, and we should start to clear out of all of this as we head into the middle of the afternoon tomorrow and certainly by late tomorrow. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Any showers and thunderstorms should be pretty much early tomorrow and then winding down as the day goes on, but a nice break from the heat for a full day of high of just 84 and then 89 on Saturday. Should be a beautiful start to the weekend. And although we hit 94 on Sunday, it'll likely not be quite as humid as we have been. The humidity will return though as the week goes on and temperatures surge once again. Monday to 95 and Tuesday and Wednesday up to about 97 degrees with that heat in place. The kind of rain that we had earlier causing that very heavy rainfall fueled by these very humid conditions that we've seen today. Sometimes you'll hear them referred to as a gully washer, or if you've heard this one, I've heard some places in the country refer to them as toad stranglers.
I've not heard either of those.
Not either one. Yeah. Well, it depends on what part of the country, and we got all these names for it. Yes. But that was a heavy, heavy rain, and the good news is it should start winding down through the evening hours.
And through the rest of the week, too.
Right.
All right.